town of Acafria rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke, folks around him didn't have much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip, for the stranger there among them had a big iron on his hip. Big iron on his head. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from each lip, and he's here to do some business with a big iron on his hip. Big iron on his head. In this town there lived an outlaw by the name of Texas Red. Many men had tried to take him, and that many men were dead. He was vicious and a killer, though a youth of 24, and the notches on his pistol numbered 1 in 19. 1 in 19. Now the stranger started talking, made it plain to folks around. Was an Arizona Ranger, wouldn't be too long in town. He came here to take an outlaw back alive, or maybe dead, and he said it didn't matter, he was after Texas Red. After Texas Red. Wasn't long before the story was laid to Texas Red. But the outlaw didn't worry men that tried before were dead. 20 men that tried to take him, 20 men had made it slip. 21 would be the ranger with a big iron on his hip. Big iron on his head. The morning passed so quickly, it was time for them to meet. It was 20 past 11 when they walked out in the street. Folks were watching from the windows, everybody held